Yep, we got the camera running, Pop. We'll see what's going on here. I know the road's closed down here.
Yes, it is. Sure enough.
Oh, it's a rescue. It's coming down.
You better believe it. It's washing across the road here. Oh boy, look at the water in here.
Golly, I've never seen it that high, Pop.
Wowee!
They aren't going through that.
The power station's just about going to have it.
I bet Penn Colors washed out. Okay, now we're going to start up the road here, and we're going to take a look at a new river starting here. Yes, a new river and waterfall. I never, my wildest dreams, I never thought I'd see a waterfall there. But now we have a waterfall. The newest waterfall in Bucks County. This is at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville. It's starting to rain pretty hard. You can see the yard is flooding. The water is running away severely, and we're getting a pretty good downpour here right now, and we don't expect it to stop in the near future. This is part of that rainstorm coming in from the deep south, and we are expecting flooding here now. Highland Hill Farm is located on Route 313 in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, about 2 miles west of Doylestown. Our street address is 5275 West Swamp Road, which is Route 313. We're open 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. 7 days a week. We have a wide selection of trees and shrubs. We have trees up to 4-inch caliper and arborvitaes up to about 14 foot tall. We can deliver and plant for you, and we can deliver all over the East Coast, and we service areas from Georgia to Tennessee up to Detroit, Michigan, and also into Boston, New York City, Washington, D.C. corridors. So just give us a call at 215-651-8329. Again, that's 215-651-8329 for your trees and shrubs.